The reason आम्ही press conference ठेवला is because of two basic issues which have happened. First is procedural lapses जे गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीन जाता ते कंटिन्यू चालू असा. It is not one and two procedural lapses that are happening, but every day we are seeing procedural lapses in the university elections that are happening. That is one point. The second point is the way in which the opposition is stooping down to with morphing of images of our lady representatives also. So they have come down to such a level that Simran will tell you more about it. So I'll tell you about the lapses that have happened in this university elections first. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the students of Goa who have elected the UCRs, and we are very happy to know that 75% of the UCRs from the BJP have been defeated with the help of independents and other NSUI and CYSS candidates. Municipality election, Panchayat election, in Lok Sabha elections or Vidhan Sabha elections, every person has a voting right. But in university elections, for the main council, there is no voting right for the students. Only 50 to 60 puppets have the right to vote, which is very wrong. Our UCRs have been elected, and everyone, the ones who have elected the UCRs, all the students should have the right to vote. Ami our demand last year sudha kello. This year also we will stick to the same demand. The governor has told that she will meet us and take it forward and finalize it. But if she is not taking it forward, then we will be considering this as our victory, because we have our UCRs elected and the papers will talk of who will win. So even if their council is elected tomorrow, we will have it on papers of how many of our forms have been rejected and how many did not get a chance to be a part of the council, and we will be considering it as a victory. And we have also written it to the crime branch of Goa regarding this.
So as we have seen this where the politics in students has been turning so dirty and all of that. So since they couldn't buy me or whatever it is on their side, they decided to circulate fake messages on me saying I'm going and meeting Amit Shah and turning to their parties and all. And they have started editing my pictures with some different body with
saying
a bare chest and a hafta and things like that. So they have stooped to such a new low. This is the message where they are circulating about me meeting Amit Shah and all. They don't have a defense basically to how they would win the election or something. That's why they are trying other ways and means. Since now we can see in politics, MLAs and things like that have been bought. So same way they are doing with students. So that is our main demand over here is the elections conducted in university should be open, fair and free, so that each and every student of the university has a right to vote who they want to represent them at the university level. You cannot have 5-10 people who are going to dance according to your whims and fancies because you have paid money to them. But for now, we completely declare our victory because we have 75% of students in our favor. So this is a great victory to us today, and we will see what we are supposed to do further.
I was contesting for UCR election. I had a backlog in the subject. I know I am passing in the subject, but the results are not out till date. And I was not able to contest for the elections. And I used to get many calls saying that withdraw your forms, saying that तुका तुझी जीव नाका, तुका मी जिते मारतले, and that too from unregistered number. That app number, they used to call me. I don't know who are the people. And after I filled the form and my name was on the board, I was on a post UCR. Again there was call saying that you are doing cheating, and saying that we will kill you. So please take the form back, which is not correct. In this we don't get afraid of them.
But basically his form got this thing because of results not being declared.
First of all,
it didn't take it forward.
First of all, elections were late. Secondly, they are not declaring the result as well. I don't know what is wrong with them. Why so late?